The substitute expression is in the category text and has a result of a text data type. The purpose of this expression is to replace each instance of a certain character with a different character. The substitute expression has three parameters. The first is the base text value. This is the one that contains elements that you would like replaced. O is the text that you want to replace, and in is the text that is replacing it. The result is the same text, but with all instances of O replaced with N. Let's look at an example. Here we see our substitute expression, some text, what we want to replace, and what we want it to be replaced with. This will give us the result of Spider-Man, but with a dash instead of a space. We hope this helps. If you would like to learn more, we invite you to check out appsheettraining.com.